My name is Shevan Howard, and I'm here to talk to you about the integrated curriculum model. This model was first proposed in 1986. The integrated curriculum model is a comprehensive and cohesive curriculum framework. ICM uses curriculum design, consider the features of the disciplines under study, and is differentiated for gifted learners. For gifted learners, this curriculum has precocity, intensity, and complexity. This curriculum addresses both cognitive and affective dimensions of the gifted learner. The theoretical underpinning of this curriculum came from two main theorists. The first theorist is Vygotsky. He argued that the learner should be exposed to material slightly above test level, that the learner should interact with others in an environment to enhance understanding, and that the learner should construct knowledge for self. The second theorist is Mortimer Adler. He argued the importance of content representing the best products of the world's civilization paired with relevant cognitive skills. Now let's take a look at the key components of the ICM. There are three interrelated dimensions responsive to different aspects of the gifted learner. They are emphasizing advanced content knowledge that frames discipline of study, providing higher order thinking and processing, and organizing learning experience around major issues, themes, and ideas that define understanding of a discipline and provides connection across discipline. The fusion of these components is central to the development of a coherent curriculum that is responsive to a diverse need of talented students while providing for all students optimal learning experience. As you can see in the figure, the three interrelated components/dimensions have been synthesized to form an integrated curriculum model. The content dimension encourages students to move through basic materials at a faster rate, while the process product dimension places emphasis on investigatory skills to develop high quality products. Lastly, the issue/themes dimensions focus on the gifted student's understanding and appreciation of knowledge. Here you will see some concepts and skills that each component addresses. The overarching concepts, which is basically the themes and idea dimension, talks about change, systems, patterns, cause and effect. Advanced content is more in-depth, include advanced reading, looking at primary sources, and has more advanced skills. Lastly, the process product looks at elements of research, reasoning skills, problem-based learning, and inquiry skills. Research done by the Center for Gifted Education at the College of William and Mary found that ICM is most effective in that better transfer of learning occurs when higher order thinking skills are embedded in subject matter. Thus, students with a strong subject matter knowledge benefit tremendously from ICM and creates a meaningful way for the students to connect their new learning to past experiences. ICM also works very well because it looks at the child in a cohesive manner and works way better than partial intervention. Lastly, ICM has shown significant gains in gifted and promising learners from low-income and minority backgrounds. Now let's go ahead and take a look at some of the potential pitfalls of using the integrated curriculum model. Non-optimal matching between the learner and the curriculum is one of the main things that usually occurs. Within all three dimensions, there needs to be a pre-assessment. Once that has taken place, there must be organization and reorganization of the core curriculum by eliminating unnecessary skills, review, and known concepts. Next, lack of flexibility in students' placement. In terms of how we group the students, students should be grouped based on their pre-assessment, via cluster grouping, ability grouping, cross-grade level grouping, or flexible grouping within a grade level to work on their tested level of proficiency within the curriculum area. Lack of teacher training. Lack of teacher training leads to not implementing ICM with fidelity. And this is actually one of the biggest challenges facing curriculum developers for ICM. Teachers must implement the unit of study as it is written so that innovations can be assessed accurately and changes can be made for improvement. And lastly, the climate, school climate. There needs to be a climate of excellence for the gifted learner in order for them to perform at their optimal level. The educational context must be offered in a challenging environment that taps into their deep psychology, provide a generative situation, and also demand high standards for excellence that correspond to expectation for high level productivity. Before I take any questions, let's go ahead and take a look at a short video showing how teachers in a school district collaborate together using the integrated curriculum model to create a cohesive lesson.